we restarted on our lesson?
Okay, so this is lesson 2. This is a different lesson than yesterday. I like to teach strategies that you can use when it gets harder. Okay?
Okay.
So we're going to work through the strategy that we will use when it gets harder, which is here in just a few minutes on the sprint. So here's what I think in my mind. And I actually write it because it helps me. So I think in my mind, 2 times something equals 4. So 1 times the same number would be 2. Okay? 2 times something equals 6. What is it, class?
3.
So 1 times 3 equals 3. Okay? 3 times something equals 6. 3 times what?
2.
So 1 times 2 equals 2. Okay? 3 times something equals 6. So 2 times something equals 4. 3 times something equals 12. What is it? 4. So 2 times 4 equals 8. Now remember, this is a strategy I'm teaching you to use when it's too hard. 4 times something equals 16. So 3 times 4 equals 12. 5 times something, what is it? So 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, so now that you had a chance to figure those out, tell me the answers as a class as we go through. 1 times what?
2.
So 2 times 2.
4.
And don't answer before I'm finished asking. 1 times,
2.
so 5 times 2.
10.
2 times 4. So 5 times 4.
20.
Okay, 3 times 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times,
4.
so 5 times 4
20.
equals 20. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the sprint. Look at 15. How is it different than the ones we just did? Look at it on your paper. It'll be easier to see than on the board. So, Reeve, what do you think?
It's dividing.
It is. How did you know it's dividing?
Because 2 is from a bigger to a smaller.
From a larger to a smaller number. Okay? 2 is larger than 1. So we know we have to divide. So on 15, if I divide a number by itself, then it's going to be 1, right?
Yeah.
So that's quite simple. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't have room to write divided by 2 in there. So here's my solution to my problem. I've just been writing divided by 2 out here so I don't forget. So then I'll do, after I figure out what goes in the blank, I'll do 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And I'm sorry this is so small and you can't see it very well. All right, so the next one. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Okay, so what do you think? You kind of have the idea here? Maybe. I know. It's kind of hard. Well, let's look at 17. I know I'm dividing because 5 is less than 10, right? So 10 divided by something equals 5. 2. So 4 divided by 2 equals
2.
Now, if you are really good at it like Rudy is, you can just write that 2 over there and be done with it. You don't have to do all this other stuff that I like to do because I want to make sure I'm right.
What? So
Okay?
you have to put divided by 2.
No. You have to think divided by 2 to get your answer.